tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go baby, we bringing our toys.
What's going on, YouTube? All right, guys, so let's take a look at what's going on with Super Microcomputer. Okay, they reported some news, and this is a great example of what happens when you get some news. Even though you see a stock going up, a stock going down, news can set a detour. Now, is this going to continue for Super Microcomputer? I doubt it. They're too rich. They're going to fix it. So I see a buy opportunity here. So let's go over what's going on with SMCI. All right, so the biggest news that we see here, guys, okay, is the stock crashed on Friday, 23%, okay, 23% after the company announced the date of Q3 earnings. Okay, the next part of this article is very important, guys, okay. The sharp decline dragged Nvidia down. Now, some people are going to say, well, it's because they're all AI. That's not true. Okay. You need to do your research correctly. Okay. We scroll down, guys, in this article. There is a big reason why it dragged down Nvidia. And it's super important that you guys always do this so that you know exactly what you're investing in. And there it goes. Okay. Nvidia chips. Let me highlight this for you. Are installed in Super Microcomputers, guys. Okay, so obviously if you don't understand what's really going on, you're gonna say, oh, it's Nvidia chips, I'm getting out. Okay, a couple more key takeaways, guys, in a different article, okay, is that, and this is big to investors, right? And I don't know how much weight you would put on this, but look at this. Super Micro has not made an appearance, okay, with an earnings pre-announcement. So they've been staying hush-hush about when they're going to report earnings and what is kind of the guidance that's going to come. So that worried a lot of people, and I guess they gave them till Friday, and then they just jumped out. And here's another big deal for folks, right? So this thing is hovering over 60, okay? The PE ratio is over 60, guys. So if you want to understand what's a good PE, let's take Warren Buffett as an example. So Warren Buffett likes to buy companies when the PE ratio is around 17, 18. That's when he thinks it's a buy, and he'll jump in and start buying stocks. 60, oh man, this is high. Okay, guys, and if you're really enjoying the information I give you in these videos, do me a favor and subscribe and share this video with your team, your family, and your friends. It really helps the channel out. All right, so let's take a look at the chart, guys. What's going on with SMCI? So it's really simple here. This is just simple charting, okay? We have nice support here at around 693, guys, okay? And you see that this was previous support back in February. Looks like February 21st, it kept bouncing off of this line, and sure enough, it went up, and now we're back here, guys. Now, what happens if it breaks this line? Well, you have more support on the way down. So remember that this stock, okay, is still loved by some people. So don't jump in there with puts thinking, yes, I'm going to make a lot of money, because if I have to mark these off, okay, you're not going to get an over $100 drop right away. Look at all these support areas, guys. Okay, we have at least 4 more major support areas, and then of course after that is going to come back down to the medium it was at in the past. But for now, okay, on the 4-hour, guys, it went under the 200-day exponential moving average, which is no bueno. Okay, that is when people really start selling off. Where is it going to stop? I can't tell you that, guys, because this is the information we have. We don't know what people are thinking. If this was normal, where this happened over like weeks, then I can tell you, okay, we might see a bounce or this might happen, but this is very risky right now. So if you're thinking of going long, I would personally do a lot of research on this before you make that decision. All right, let me get a little bit more technical for you guys in here, and let me show you what is going on with the volume profile. If you guys don't understand volume profile, it's these yellow and blue bars here to the right. This tells you all the sell orders and all the buy orders that are waiting for this particular stock. This red line is the point of control, guys. Basically, that's where the buys and sell meet, and it's kind of an even Steven story. But you see that that line broke, and you can see in here we have gaps, and when you have gaps, it's easy for the stock to fall. And once it got in here, guys, you see this was support. It matches the volume profile to the right. Support, volume profile is the same. That support line got breached and it went down, and look at this huge gap in here. Okay, this is huge. Okay, this was another support line, not a lot of support though. Okay, so the stock fell, and now we're here, and you have some support. Now if I go up, guys, okay, and I'm going to bring a little bit more information into this volume profile, and it's going to populate for us, and you can see this major support here was broken. I don't see any more major support. Like I said, 693 matches this volume shelf. Okay, and there is support. If that gets broken, we can see 651, and you can see this continue to go down. So if you're a short and you want to short, okay, that might be a play for you. Okay, now I am not short in this stock, but I promise you something, I will be this week. I'm going to keep an eye on this chart. Okay, and this is where, if you guys come, and I'm going to leave you guys a link below in the description, you guys take my courses, I show you how to jump into a short and how to hedge it in case it goes the other way so you lose no money. Okay, hedging is super important in this industry, guys, so you have to learn that. But this is super risky, so be very careful, guys. This might happen. Okay, now if you have any questions on SMCI, leave it in the comments below. I'll respond to you right away, guys. And this is something you should keep on your watch list regardless, because if it does go down, okay, if it makes it down here, at some point it's going to be a buy, because they're going to keep making money, guys. They just have a little blip going on, and I think they'll get over it. But for now, this might be a short play. I know it certainly will be for me. So until the next video, guys, wishing you guys a green week coming up.